Now that all the cleaning's done, it's time to throw some electronics in it. All right, well, now that we got these new servos in place, we are going to be throwing in this Spectrum 2-channel receiver.